Plazuela because American Backyard Iloilo is now open officially today.
Free burger for 1 year, 1 burger every night.
This is what I want. Yay! There you go mga kabangbang. Ari na sa aton ang aton ng mga order. And now we are officially open here at Plazuela Uno in front sa ating event center. The American Backyard Iloilo open at 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. Alright, let's enjoy our food. And we got buy one, take one pizza and free burger for the first 50 customers. Yeah, I see you here. Yay! There you go mga kabangbang! We are finally open here and upod ko subo si Sir George of the American Backyard. Sir George, congratulations sa aton!
Thank you.
Yes! Anong ila ma-expect sa aton diri nga mga cuisines?
Well, you know, American Backyard is known for serving affordable, elevated dining experience. So when you think about American Backyard, it's basically a concept na gidala ta sa Iloilo because we believe that Ilonggos are practical diners. The same thing with Wishi Ramen Bai, which is our sister restaurant. Basically, you can expect the same quality, the same affordable price for a top-notch dining experience.
Ayon, and definitely kita balaan nyo gid na mga kabangbang. We do not endorse something that we don't believe in. That's why I'm really proud to say that I am part of the American Backyard. Kay, number 1, hilig ako sa pasta. Number 2, natilawag ko kagina ang cheesy pepperoni pizza. That's one thing you have to order, and soon matilawag ko ang ilang steak. So I am really excited for that. And there you go, may surprise kami. May harap kita ihatag na?
Vouchers.
Ayon, so
Vouchers.
please follow sa aton nga comment section ara dang mga mechanics to avail our vouchers. Thank you so much, Sir George, and to all of you. See you here. Bye! There you go, mga kabangbang. So, balaan nyo na. Follow the steps on the comment section para maka-avail ka mo sinikay. One of you will be a winner. We will be taking the steak because that's why we are back here to try their steak. So, sa inyo nga mga lucky winners, you could be the winner for our buy one take one pizza voucher or the buy one take one burger voucher. Thank you. Salamat. Medium rare. Well done. We got here backyard sauce. So you could request either backyard sauce or gravy. Pero mas gusto ko siya. Gusto ko siya. Yes, as a certified mukbanger, hindi pwedeng may matitirang pagkain sa ating pinggan. At dahil sobra-sobra tayo sa pagpa-vlog buong araw, eto po'y gutom na tayo. Kaya ang ating backyard sauce ay hindi nakaligtas sa ating kanin. Tan-tanang! Channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindutan subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Rubeinspired!